Hey guys, it's been a month now after my wedding, so I would like to share with you something amazing that Chez Vous has done for me. This treatment called the Advanced Sugar Hair Lamination helps like 40% of the frizziness. So as you can see now, it's really smooth and glossy. It's also okay for you to do it immediately after hair color, which they did it for me too. And in the future, there will be no complication if you like to rebond or perm your hair. So I really highly recommend you this treatment. I would do it again if my hair is damaged.